Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to decode ads on Reels, Instagram's newest feature that's taking the social media world by storm. So, what exactly are ads on Reels? Well, if you've been scrolling through your Instagram feed, you've probably come across these short, attention-grabbing videos. They are designed to captivate your interest and deliver a brand message in just a matter of seconds. But how do they work? When you tap on ad, it will take you to a full-screen experience, where you can explore more about the product or service being promoted. It's like a mini commercial right on your Instagram feed. You might be wondering, how can you tell it's an ad? Well, Instagram has got that covered. Ads on Reels are labeled with a small sponsored tag at the bottom left corner. This helps you differentiate them from organic content and ensures transparency. Now, you might be asking, why should I care about ads on Reels? Here's the deal. With over 1 billion active users on Instagram, brands have incredible opportunities to reach a vast audience and make a lasting impression. Ads on Reels allow businesses to tap into the power of visual storytelling. Through creative and eye-catching videos, they can effectively connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive engagement. But remember, it's not just for businesses. As a user, you can also benefit from ads on Reels. You can discover new products or services that align with your interests and even support your favorite creators. In conclusion, ads on Reels are a game changer in the world of social media advertising. They provide a unique and engaging way for brands to connect with their audience and for users to discover new things. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content.